Hi everybody, welcome to today's math lesson. Today's math lesson is called What's My Rule? And in this lesson you are going to use simple number patterns to solve What's My Rule problems. For this lesson you will need your whiteboard, marker, and sock. If you need to get those items, press pause to get them. This is called a function machine, and it works like frames and arrows where you take a number and there's a rule that is added to or subtracted to that number to get another number. So in this function machine, a number goes in, the number 1. Something happens to the number 1, and the rule is +2, so 1 + 2, and out comes 3. If 2 goes into the machine, 2 + 2 inside the machine, and out comes 4. So we would fill in this table over here with a 4. You can call this table over here an input-output table, and remember this is called a function machine. So I want you to think about what would happen if 3 went in the machine. If 3 goes in the machine, what's going to come out? 3 + 2 is 5. Did you get that right? 5 is the answer. 3 + 2 is 5. And we don't really need a fancy machine to do that. We can think about the numbers over here. 4, the rule is +2, makes 6. And we can keep going. 5 + 2 is 7. I like to write that rule right next to the input number. For this function machine, I want you to complete this table using the rule that's in this machine. In this machine, the rule is -2. So a number goes in, 2 gets taken away from it, and what comes out? You're going to fill out this part of the table. On your whiteboard, press pause to work. Press play when you're ready to check with me. Alright, let's check your work. If 3 goes into the machine, out comes 1. 3 - 2 is 1. If 4 goes into the machine, 4 - 2 is 2, all the way down. Did you notice a pattern to your numbers? It starts at 0 and goes up by 1 each time. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's an interesting pattern from this function machine. Let's try one more. This rule, let's read it together. The rule is +5 or add 5. So every time a number goes in the machine, out comes 5. Now down here, it gives you the output, what comes out of the machine. So you have to figure out what goes in. You can think of that as the opposite operation and do subtract. You can take 14 - 5, or you can think of +5 is 15. I want you to press pause to work and press play when you're ready to check your answers. Alright, let's check your answers with this function machine. Again, the rule is +5. 1 goes in the machine, +5 happens inside, and out comes 6. 2 + 5 is 7, 4 + 5 is 9, 6 + 5 is 11, 8 + 5 is 13. And this one we had to figure out blank +5 is 14, or we could say 14 - 5 is 9, 15 - 5 is 10. 15 + 5 is 20, 20 + 5 is 25, and 25 + 5 is 30. So those are function machines. So they give you a rule, and you have to follow that rule every time with every number. There's a number that goes in, something happens inside the function machine, and a number comes out. That's it for our lesson for today.